Okay, so hi dear Taurus, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 Oshos and tarot messages for all the Taurus Sun Moon Venus rising from 9 till the 15th of Feb 2026. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. So the overall energy for Taurus people for this week from 9 till the 15th of Feb. Let's see. These are mostly spiritual messages. They are definitely not for everyone. If they resonate, good for you. If not, don't worry too much about it. Just go and have fun. Patience. Okay. This week, you guys are going to be utterly patient with everything and everyone around you, because there might be certain things that's not going according to the plans as per your strategy or plans or whatever you are trying to achieve here. And then you guys are going to realize that the more you are trying to make something happen, the more it's getting pushed away. So you guys are going to feel like there is something that you guys are working on, and the results are going to take time, because this is some kind of long term goal, or this is some kind of project or something that's going to take time to show you the kind of results that you guys are hoping for and waiting for. So patience is the key for you guys for this week for Taurus people. Let's see the per day messages. Ninth, we have beyond illusion. So you guys will be able to see people, situations, and things for what they are and who they are. You guys will be able to cut the illusions, cut those trapped energies that are keeping you from seeing things and people and situations for what they are and who they are. Your third eye, sorry, your intuitive energies and your third eye energies are going to get enhanced on this particular day, especially if you guys are working on it. Your intuition is going to guide you in so many things in so many ways on this particular day, right? 10th of Feb, we have traveling. For some of you, it's a literal traveling that you guys are going to do. For others of you, it will be some kind of spiritual path that you guys are trying to work on, but because you're not able to see the path ahead of you, you guys are going to be little skeptical about what you should do and what you should not do about it. So taking the first step forward is going to be very very helpful for you. Once you are going to take the step forward, you will be able to see the next step and the next and the next. You should have the goal clear in your head that this is the goal that I'm trying to achieve here, and take the initial steps, and the rest the universe is going to provide you. Okay. 13th, turning in. So instead of like, different people are going to give you different views, different stories, different answers regarding a situation, regarding something that you are needing a guidance and answer for. So instead of listening to different people, different stories, different chapters, different views, try to turn into your own self, and you will be able to get the answer very very loud and clear about whatever you are trying to achieve, the guidance for here in this on this particular day. So okay, listen to your own inner voice, listen to your own inner side, instead of taking advice or advices from other people. You know better than them, and if you are going to listen to your own self, you will be able to get the answer properly. But you have to sit with yourself in silence and listen to the answers. 12th, we have the burden. Now you are going to take too much on your plate that you will not be able to finish. So instead of taking too much burden on your shoulders, try to do things one day at a time. And second thing, don't take other people's happiness or sadness responsibilities on your shoulder. That's not your responsibility to keep everyone and everything on at peace, at place or something. Okay. So instead of taking the responsibility of the whole world on your shoulders, try to do whatever you can do your best with peace and with ease, and let things fall into place slowly but surely, one day at a time, whatever it is that you're trying to achieve here. 13th, we have the sharing. Now Taurus, if you guys have something that you can share with others in a peaceful way, in a joyful way, without having any kind of expectations of any kind of results, then please do that. Don't even think about the universe is going to reward you, the universe is watching, this is happening, that is happening. If you can share anything from your side, whether it's money, whether it's like another help, volunteering, or your resources with other people in a genuine loving and caring way, then you should do that. You can do that, because it's going to be something that's going to make you feel that you are doing good for the world. Just give me a second. So share whatever you can do with love, with peace, with care to others as much as you can, and don't have this expectation of, oh, I'm going to get good karma, good rewards, just doing it for the sake of showing it off or getting something in return. Then it's a business transaction. You're not sharing. You're not doing the you're not doing any good deed here. You're just feeding your ego. There is a whole, like, lot of difference in those two things. 14th of Feb, we have the Fool card. Now you guys are going to, you guys have some kind of plan to go somewhere to do something that you have never tried before. So you guys are going to feel like, let's take the leap of faith with the universe. If you are going to go ahead with the kind heart, with open energies, and with the loving and nurturing and caring kind of energy, without having any kind of, negative energies or negativity or manipulative energies, or trying to manipulate the universe or other people, the more you are going to go ahead with naive energy, kid like energies, loving and caring kind of energies, and trusting the process, trusting the divine, the more the universe is going to help you ahead. So whatever it is, whatever you're trying to go ahead and achieve here, in a beautiful and positive way, like a childlike energy, universe is going to support you, as long as you guys are going to go ahead with innocence and trusting the process and trusting the divine in the surrender, like surrender to the divine in a proper way, in a beautiful way. Okay, so you will be able to achieve the success as long as you are going to stay innocent and true to the universe and yourself. 15th 15th is the politics. Now beware of people who are like snakes in your life, who are trying to pretend that they are your friends, they are your well wishers, and they are there for you whenever you need them. They are actually snakes in the form of humans, especially in your work and job area, career area, work environment. There might be competitors around you, there might be jealous people around you who don't like when you are succeeding, who don't like you as a person, because you might be doing something different, and they are jealous bitches. First of all, don't try to reveal too much about your plans, about anything that you should not be sharing with anyone. Don't do that, whether it's personal or professional. And second thing, don't trust anyone blindly, especially those people who are too good to be true, or who are trying to sneak back in your life in some way. They are still snakes, they are still manipulators. You have to learn how to distinguish between real people and fake people, Taurus. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week, Taurus. Compromise. Okay, there is a situation that might require some kind of compromise from from your side. If you feel like there's a situation that is going to be healed when you guys are going to find out a middle ground, then you should definitely give your best effort to save a situation from falling apart. If it is meaningful for you, if the other person is equally interested and invested, whether it's a person or a situation or something energetic that you are going on, that you are experiencing right now, middle ground or compromise is required in a situation for that situation to move ahead. Now if you are ready, if you are able to do that, try to do that with all of your heart and soul, with genuine energies. If you feel like this is the time for you to break it, you don't want it anymore, whatever it is, then it's time for you to say goodbye. The guidance here needs you to understand the importance of a person or a situation in your life, whatever is applicable, and accordingly make the right choice or right decision and stick to that one. Hmm? That is very important. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.